Hi Micafam, Myra here for today's video. Narinig niyo na ba yung Netbank mobile app? I heard it's a new digital bank dito sa Pinas and take note guys, tumataginting na 7% interest rate per annum daw yung kanilang regular savings account. Totoo ba ito? Meron din silang time deposit where you can earn up to 6% interest rate per annum. If you're interested, please keep on watching. So guys, sa video na to, alamin natin kung ano nga ba yung Netbank, meron bang initial deposit and maintaining balance required ito, ano naman yung mga transaction limits and fees, and of course, ituturo ko rin sa inyo sa video na to paano mag-create ng account and paano i-activate ang account. So first, ano nga ba yung Netbank Mobile? Netbank po ay regulated by the Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas that operates under the Community Rural Bank of Romblon po. It provides banking as a service solutions in the Philippines. Nagpo-provide po sila ng low-cost, high-quality banking services to fintech and other financial services companies. Netbank Mobile po is a digital bank. Aside from regular deposit and time deposit accounts, its mobile app po features bills payment, powered by EasyPay and mobile reload. Pwede din tayong makapag-send and receive ng pera using InstaPay and PesoNet services. Meron silang over-the-counter cash-in or cash-out channels via EasyPay, 7-Eleven, Lulier, and Panalo Express. Na magkano naman ang interest ng Netbank Mobile? You can earn a 7% interest rate per year on your regular savings account. I think ito na yung pinakamataas so far na interest rate per annum of a digital bank. So aside from regular savings account, meron din silang time deposit account, and ito naman, you can earn up to 6% per year or per annum on your time deposit account with maturities of 3, 6, 12, or 24 months po. So depende na sa inyo. Pero the longer that you keep your funds sa time deposit account, the higher the interest rate po. And of course, kung magkano yung nilagay mo sa time deposit account mo. So, for example, 3 months mo lang ikikip sa time deposit account mo yung 50,000 pesos mo, then that will earn 2.25%. And if, for example, you have 100k, kikip mo siya for 1 year, then that will earn 4.5%. Na magkano naman yung transaction limits and fees dito sa NetMobile? Unfortunately, medyo mahal yung fees dito, guys. For InstaPay transactions, that's 25 pesos per transfer. May limit po ito na 50k per transaction. If via PesoNet naman yung transaction, that's 25 pesos per transfer and wala pong limit yan. Intra-bank meaning from Netbank to Netbank, free po yan as expected and wala din siyang limit. Now, paano naman kapag over-the-counter cash-in via EasyPay, that's 20 pesos na charge. Kapag via 7-Eleven ka naman nag-cash-in, that's 20 pesos na charge. Kapag sa Lulier ka nag-cash-in, that's 30 pesos. Panalo Express, 40 pesos. And kapag nag-cash out ka naman via Lulier, meron pong 2% na transaction fee po yan. Safe nga ba si Netbank? Definitely yes, kasi regulated po ito ng Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas and insured po yung pera natin by the PDIC up to 500,000 pesos per depositor po. And ito po yung mga valid IDs na tinatanggap ni Netbank Savings Account. Gaano nga ba katagal maghihintay for the approval of your account? If nag-apply ka before 5 p.m. during banking days, then it will be processed the same day. Pero kapag nag-create ka after 5 p.m. na, that will be processed the next banking day. Kapag nag-create ka ng account after 5 p.m. on Friday, your account po will be processed on Monday. Any account created during holidays and weekends will be processed on the next banking day. Ang kagandahan with Netbank, wala pong initial deposit and no maintaining balance po yung account na to, kaya super cool tayo. Yung ating interest pa will be credited sa ating account every month. And dahil nga walang maintaining balance required, minimum balance to earn interest ay at least piso po. Okay, so guys, install natin yung app. It looks like this. Netbank Mobile po. Slide to confirm lang. So guys, take note, makaka-earn po tayo ng 7% interest per annum on your savings account. Enjoy as much as 6% interest per annum with our time deposit and open a time deposit account. Okay, so now, open a free account tayo. Get started. Tap next. Next. Confirm. Lagay natin dito yung ating mobile number and email po. And then next. And enter natin OTP na sinend sa ating mobile number. After nyan, enter natin yung ating personal information, kagaya ng first name, last name, father's maiden name, civil status, gender, birthplace, and birth date po. And then tap next. After nyan, enter natin yung ating address. Upload natin necessary documents. So, pili lang tayo ng document na meron tayo. They accept barangay certification, driver's license, GSIS e-card, NBI clearance, OFW ID, PRC ID, passport, police clearance, postal ID, SSS, Seaman's Book, senior citizen card, TIN, and voter's ID po. So, tap natin itong postal ID. By the way guys, kung wala ka pang postal ID and you want to get one, meron akong video, ililink ko down below. Lagay natin dito yung ID number ng ating postal ID. If you don't know kung saan makikita yung ID number ng postal, makikita nyo po yan sa baba po ng picture, yung may PRN and then number. Yung number lang po yung i-copy po natin. Then lagay natin yung expiry date ng ID and yung photo po ng ID po. So photos, tap natin yan. And then pili tayo whether gallery or camera. Itong camera. And then, allow permission. Allow. And pwede na natin ng picture yung ating postal ID. Or kung ano yung ID na pili po ninyo. Kung sure ka na sa ID, tap mo lang tong check mark. After nyan guys, write tayo ng signature na piece of paper and then take a photo. Mas okay kung nasa papel kasi mas nakakasulat ka talaga ng mas maayos. Anyway, camera. Kunan na natin ng picture yung ating signature. Next. After nyan, take a selfie together with your valid ID to confirm your identity. Tap mo lang itong camera sign, camera, take na tayo na photo. So, ito na yung summary ng ating account guys. Ito yung client name and everything. So, double check mo lang yung info kung tama naman lahat guys. Then, tap mo lang itong accept and then slide to confirm. So, uploading file na siya. Bilis lang siya guys. Ayun, application sent. Fast account will be ready after bank verification. So, if i-verify pa yung ating account, makaka-receive na tayo ng SMS dun sa number na nilagay natin a while ago upon approval ng ating account. So, hindi pa approve yung ating account, i-verify pa siya. Just keep your lines open kasi magsasend sila ng message via SMS. So, okay lang tayo. Ayun. So, hindi pa tayo pwede makapag-login. Kailangan nating maghintay ng SMS from Netbank po. Alright, so guys, just to give you an update, nag-create tayo ng account weekend po. And today is a Monday, tamang-tama, naka-receive na tayo ng SMS from Netbank saying na account natin ay approved na po. Ito yung ating customer number and ito yung ating account number. Take note natin itong account number natin guys. And punta na tayo sa Netbank account natin. I have an account. And we need to activate our account guys. Lagay lang natin dito yung last name natin, birth date, document number. Ito yung ID number ng valid ID na sinubmit natin upon application. And yung account number, ito yung sinend via SMS po. Tap next. Enter natin yung code na sinend via SMS. And then set up tayo ng 4-digit PIN po. And confirm PIN. After nyan, authenticate with biometrics. So allow lang tayo fingerprint natin. Alright, so guys, account activated na. Tap lang natin itong get started. So, andito na tayo sa ating account and medyo nagulat ako kasi super plain po ng ating app. Yung feeling na parang, oy, ito na ba yun? Kasi wala talaga siyang kakulay-kulay. Super plain niya talaga guys. As you can see, Netbanking's deposit is 5%. So, hindi po siya 7%. I think yung 7% is the introductory interest rate per annum. Pero ngayon, it's 5% po. Which is sad. Pero mataas pa rin yung 5% guys. And then scroll tayo sa right. So if you want to add another account, contact lang natin yung bank. Pero happy na ako dito. And dito naman sa baba, your actions. So we have scan QR, transfer, deposit, and withdraw. Itatap natin tong see all. Ito yung makikita natin guys. So far, ito pala yung pwede natin gawin dito sa ating Netbank mobile account. We have scan QR, transfer, deposit, withdraw, bills payment, tsaka mobile reload po. Alright, so that's for the actions. Pero dito sa time deposits naman, we can actually open deposit account here. Pero I think gawa na lang din natin ito na separate video for you. And dito naman sa settings guys, ayan, pwede tayong makapag-change ng. We also have contact details. Try natin kung pwede tayong makapag-chat via the app. Oh, okay. So, madadirect tayo sa FB Messenger. Hindi siya within the app pwedeng makapag-chat. Ito yung kanilang address, guys. It's based in Romblon. Interesting. Now, for the frequently asked questions, so if you have any questions, guys, ayan lang yung info for the cash in or cash out. So, I think na-discuss ko na ito a while ago. Anyway, if you have any questions, feel free to comment down below. And also, kung Netbank user ka na, Comment nyo naman sa ibaba kung kumusta yung naging experience ninyo. Nagustuhan nyo ba so far? Let me know. I would love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe and I will see you next time. Bye for now.